Dear friend, Dubai is a great city to start any business, but today I will share with you highly profit and highly demandable business in Dubai that possible could make you a millionaire. Dubai, a city that is home to some of the world's most breathtaking sights and attractions, is also a hub for the fitness conscious and adventure enthusiasts. With its well-maintained motorcycling paths and scenic routes, starting a motorbike rental business in Dubai can be an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs. But, before you jump on your motorbike and start pedaling your way to success, you need to understand the legal requirements and the step-by-step procedure to open a bike rental business from scratch till the end. That's why we're here to guide you through every step of the way. Stay tuned till the end so you will not miss any important information. Dear friend, welcome to my channel, Business Engineer. Today in this video I will guide you how to start a motorbike rental business in Dubai. In this video, we will take you through the legal requirements and the step-by-step procedure to open a bike rental business from scratch till the end. The first step to starting a motorbike rental business in Dubai is to obtain the necessary legal documents. You will need a trade license, a business registration certificate, and a no objection certificate, NOC, from the Dubai municipality. You will also need to comply with the safety and security regulations set by the authorities to ensure the safety of your customers. Once you have all the legal documents in place, you can set up your bike rental office. You will need to have a physical location that is easily accessible to your customers. Your shop should be well maintained, and the bike should be in good condition to attract customers. You can give rent to different delivery services company like Noon, Deliveroo, Zomato, Talabat and many more. Before you start renting out bikes, you need to have a rental agreement in place. The rental agreement should clearly outline the terms and conditions of the rental, including the rental fee, the duration of the rental, and the deposit amount. Motor renting a motorcycle is great business in Dubai. Once you have everything in place, you can start renting out bikes to your customers. The rental process should be simple and straightforward. You can use a rental management software to manage your rentals, which will help you keep track of the bikes, their condition, and the rental fee. And that's it. Starting a bike rental business in Dubai can be a lucrative opportunity and highly profitable if you follow the legal requirements and the step-by-step procedure to set up your business. With the right marketing strategies and excellent customer service, you can attract a significant number of customers who are looking to explore the beautiful city of Dubai on two wheels. One bike can make you roughly 500 dirhams a month profit. Start with at least 5, which will cost you around 40k, and business setup cost around 20. Leave me comments so we will help you out to start the business in Dubai. WhatsUp number is available in description. This is one of the good business in Dubai. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Happy biking!